So the helmet that I ride with, it's a Troy Lee Designs SE4 helmet. I just like the colors on this one, and the ventilation and safety on it is really good. Before I had another helmet and I was just sweating in it way too much. So ever since I had this helmet, sweat's no longer an issue. It vents great. I was getting headaches in my other helmet by the end of the day. This one, I'm not getting headaches anymore, even with all the stuff that I have on it. So over here I have the Chatterbox X1 Slim. They're now on an X2 Slim. We use these communicators with all my riders in a group. So they work on a radio frequency. It's GMRS. I think some of them have up to a 5-mile range. Here in Rower Flats, it's line of sight, it's even further than that. So it's good because if guys get lost, I just radio them, hey, where are you? You're going the wrong way. You can listen to music, you can get phone calls. A lot of people will run like a Sena headset. I don't recommend Sena for off-road because it works on Bluetooth, and Bluetooth only works from here to like over there. You know, there's an actual real radio. Technically, you're supposed to file for a license to operate it on the GMRS channels. So other ones I see are rugged radios. I think those are actual radios as well, but you got to have a vest, or you have it mounted and you've got it on the side, and you know, to pull it up and to use it, and it's just more stuff on me. This is mounted on the side of my helmet. My microphone is here, my headphones are in here. It's all contained in my helmet. I push the button, you know, and away I go. So to me, this is the simplest system for a communicator. They also have a wireless push-to-talk button you can put on the handlebars on the bike, so you don't even have to take your hands off while you're riding to communicate with other people. And then on the top, I've got the GoPro mount, and then in the front, I've got the chin mount with this SP mount where I can move the GoPro up, down, back. Sometimes when I'm riding in the sun, I'm like this, so I need to rotate the GoPro back, and sometimes I've got it, you know, a little further forward depending on what I'm doing. So currently for these videos, I'm shooting with the GoPro Hero 9. It's got a Freewell CP filter on it, a polarizer rather, and the camera that we're shooting this with is a Sony A7 III. And Luke is waving. Say hi, Luke.
Hi.